Hi everyone, welcome to Eden Secret on this slightly sunny, very autumn day here in the Eden Valley in the Lake District, and this video is going to be part 2 of our designer dupe double pour wax melt making bonanza. If you missed part 1, just click the information card in the top right hand corner of the screen now, or I've put a link in the description box below the video. If there's anything you need to know about supplies or where I've bought the fragrances or colour or the wax, if you click the description box, all the links and listings are there for you. Enjoy part 2 of this fantastic video. Alright, let's unmould our bonbon wax melts. So just as usual, loosen them all around the sides, push with your fingers from the bottom, and that'll push the bar out nice and neatly. How pretty. And then just do the same with all of the others. The glitter just makes them, doesn't it? And look at the beautiful sheen we've got on the wax. And that's what you get with Eco Soy Melt. If you're having a little bit of trouble getting them really neat in the mould, just put some paraffin wax in, say 10%. And paraffin wax tends to have a really good scent throw, so it shouldn't spoil your wax melts at all. So you'll see we do have some wax left over in the moulds. And what I like to do to release that is just take a cuticle tip and just pick it out like so. You can scrape any wax off the mould with that as well. Turn it over and just give it a tap. That'll tap any loose wax out. And that's it. Then they can go in the sink and be washed with hot water and dish soap. Right, so let's unmould our Decadence wax melts. Remember, these ones were teal, pink and black. I'm interested to see what we've got here on the other side. Oh wow, it is teal as well. That looks super cool, doesn't it? Okay, so these ones are our Twilight, which is a Lush dupe. Oh wow, also known as Afterglow. That works so well. Love black wax melts, I just think they look fantastic. Right, let's unmould our ANAIS. And the smell in this room last night with all of these different wax melts was absolutely phenomenal, with the ANAIS, the Bonbon, the Dark Kiss, the Decadence, the Twilight, all together. Oh wow! Look at that! How cool! Oh, that is so cool. I love it. Oh. Okay, let's wrap with these wax melts, shall we? So first up, we're going to wrap the beautiful ANAIS. Hope you like it. I love it. Now, you know this foil I get is called mink foil. I've bought a ton of the stuff in loads of new colours, and this one on here is the old ones that I had left, basically, and how perfectly it stuck to the label. Now, each one of the new ones, the new colours, are really naff. And I was thinking, is it the ink I'm using? But it can't be, because the ink, I've just printed these with the ink I've got in. But look at this one. It's just so bitty, it's just not neat at all. And it seems like every colour from the new batches that I've bought are just not neat and tidy and not sticking to the ink very well. So I'm wondering if it's just a bad batch, or have they lowered their standards with the manufacturing of this foil. I guess only time will tell. So which one are we doing next? Afterglow. Afterglow Twilight is black, blue and neon purple, so that's this one. And I've bought a lot of this foil as well, and it's very expensive. Like, it costs hundreds of pounds to buy all of the colours that they have. So this one is the Decadence, black teal with pink glitter. As I said before, I like to try and use the colours that are used in the real perfume. When I first started making soaps though and things, I used to do it in a different way. I would deliberately choose colours that weren't relevant to the fragrances I was using, and I was determined that that was the way I was going to continue. But I don't know if I would call it falling into a trap, but that's exactly what I ended up doing, just doing it colours that resemble and are what you would expect, because that's what people expect. So this one is the Bonbon. Now the Bonbon is done on the old style pink label, and it hasn't got a peel off like the other coloured labels that I've got, so it's a little more difficult to deal with. And then the last one we've got is Dark Kiss, blue and hot pink. I thinking I should have done a hot pink foil on this one, but I didn't because I was looking more at the bottle rather than the colours I've done for the wax melt. So that's why I've got the blue, the dark blue foil on the blue background there. The only one I think I've kind of made a mistake with is the Decadence. The wax melt is teal, the colours are teal, pink and black, and I should have really just used a blue label, but I went for green so that they all look kind of different. Obviously we've got two blue labels, but so that's why I did it that way. Right, so that's what they look like. Coming up, we've got some shots of what the wax melts look like wrapped and unwrapped, and there you go everyone. I hope you enjoyed this designer wax melt making video. I hope you enjoyed all the techniques that I used today, and hoping that you really liked the video, so much so that you'll share it with everyone so we get plenty of views. And don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and also place a like on the video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all very soon for another video from Eden's Secret. Bye bye for now. I hope you enjoyed that everyone. This was part 2 of the 5 designer dupes wax melt making bonanza. I'll see you next time for another video. Don't forget to tune in. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, place a comment in the description box down below the video, and I'll see you all very soon for another video from Eden's Secret. Thanks so much for watching everyone. Bye bye for now.